1. So now you need to add for the count. Is an impossible. So click on OK. Then so means you can add for the means is some only this is the also Windows resource, nothing but CPU memory point of view also you can add. Like last 60 seconds how that it is happened means you can add. And you can monitor for the these all graphs, and you can observe already 20 users will be stopped and 20 users will be gradually existing, means it is a end state, nothing but it is a ramp down is the 20 users will be there. And you can observe we are getting for some errors also. You can click on that errors, what is that error you can observe. So fail to connect for the page store application, so that is the some particular URL is not fetching. So only that we got for the 10 errors. If you click on that errors, what is that error, which script, and everything you are able to see. See, fail to connect to server, this one. This is for the page store application. So means simply you can observe based on for the number of passed transaction, failed transaction will be very less, 0 point something only. So means your test will be good only. So if it is error also, no worry. So if it is crossing more than 3% of errors, then that is not good. So see, you can observe this will be almost 94,95,932 transactions is passed as of now. So you can observe my system unable to add some counters. So memory point of view you need to add for the this counters, available bytes and same to the committed bytes. Available bytes nothing but how much memory is available. Committed bytes means how much is committed, means how much memory is used. So these two you need to add. No, test will be still going, and you can observe during the test running users, how many users is still running state, and elapsed time, it per second, how the it is going, and pass transaction, failed transactions, and these all graphs we can see. So once this is completed, so once test is completed, we need to go to the results and you need to analyze the results. If you want to middle of the test, you can stop, means you can stop also, you can do it. If you click that graph, it will show for the CPU graph how that is going. You can observe here also we can see this, because now we are calculating only our system only, right? 100% is cost, 67% is. You can observe elapsed time. We are given only 3 minutes for the test duration. You can observe here. Each test we are given 3 minutes only, but it is happen for the more than that. Why? It is including for the ramp up, ramp down, and duration also it is calculated. So when you are doing the test, right, you can include that means you want to execute for the 1 hour duration test means, then what you can do, within 2 minutes you need to give for the ramp up, within 2 minutes ramp down, and you need to execute for the, that duration will be 1 hour. So, still test is going. I'm stopping for manually. So during the test we can do for the things like we can add users also we can do for this. So if you want to click on add users, so which scenario you want to add, like if which scenario, what are the scenarios you are added, all display. For example, you want to add this scenario, you can click on that, and how many users you want to add, quantity nothing but number of users, 10 or 5 you can add for that. During the test also you can do this all things. And maybe you want to stop or you can remove users also, you can select this and remove users or stop users, you can do for this also we can do. Means during the test what are the things we need to do means, you can add the users, you can kill the users, and as same to the, if you run for the users, how many users you want to run, you can run the users also. Stop. Oh, it's not doing it. So you can observe if you click on that run, right, it is adding for the number of users also again and again. So you can observe if you click for this, each and every transaction, total action transaction passed this many. So each and every transaction, how many transactions are passed, how many failed also you are able to see for the, if you click on this. So this is the failed count will be this and passed count will be this. So during the test also you need to see for this also count each and every transaction, which transactions failing, which transaction pass, and maybe you are getting for the which transactions failure also we can monitor. And right, already I told, right, it is saving for this location. You come to the admin and this is the your test, current test. So after test completed, you come here and you can see for the system monitor, like what are the counters you are added, CP memory you are added, right? You are able to see for the results like this, processor time this one, and total committed this one. So this report you can generate and you can send to the your teammates or anyone if you want, means you can send this report also. After test is completed, you can open that and you can analyze the results, like each and every transaction we have, like see server side nothing but if it is crossing more than 85%, 85% of this, right, like Windows based 80%, then CPU memory is not good. So maybe you are doing for the Linux base, it is causing more than 95%, then CPU memory is insufficient. So enter test will be stopped. So if you are doing for the 1 hour duration also, just you need to monitor like this only. Don't do anything, just you can monitor only. What are the things, how many transaction pass, anything is a fail or anything, you need to observe this all things. So now test is completed, then you can analyze the results. So go to the results and click on analyze results. Then that result will be displayed in the analyzer component. One more component is the analyzer. Now its results is generating. So you should wait for the until 100% is complete. So we'll see for the analysis things for tomorrow. Once its results generated, I will stop that one. Then we'll go to the analyzer and what are the things we can analyze and what are things we need to like prepare for the report and what are the things we can consider. All things we can discuss for the analysis also. Okay. See how you design everything scenario and how much duration executed, total maximum running users you are executed, how much throughput is generated, how many hits it is generated, and we are able to see for the here you can observe we are given SLA. So if it is this right button right, so nothing but you are meet for the SLA. You are got for this means you are not meeting for the SLA. So you can observe it's 2 seconds you got. So that is why more than 2 seconds. So that is why your SLA will be failed. So based on that, we need to understand that which SLA is passed, which is not passed, and you need to concentrate for the each and every transaction for the average response time. So but average you can observe only for this find flight. It's not made for that, and apart from that anything only one only remaining all we got for the within the 2 minutes all only. So only one transaction only we are not meeting for the our criteria, and you can observe this is the pass, how many pass, how many failed, also we are able to see here. Means this much count will be passed for the each and every transaction. So this report we can see for the tomorrow very clearly, and each and everything we need to observe that. Okay. Okay. Thank you for joining. We'll meet for tomorrow and we'll continue. Okay.